Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the Rococo art movement, focusing on Jean-Honoré Fragonard's famous painting, The Swing. This artwork perfectly shows the playful, elegant, and decorative style of Rococo. Rococo began in 18th century France and is known for light colors, detailed decoration, and themes of pleasure, love, and leisure. It was art made for enjoyment, not seriousness. Rococo developed during a time when the French aristocracy lived comfortably. Art reflected their lifestyle: romantic, luxurious, and carefree. I chose Rococo because it shows how art can reflect emotions and lifestyle. Instead of serious messages, Rococo focuses on beauty, happiness, and personal pleasure. This painting, The Swing, was created in 1767 by Jean-Honoré Fragonard and is one of the most iconic Rococo artworks. The painting shows a young woman on a swing, pushed by an older man, while her lover secretly watches from below. The scene feels playful and slightly mischievous. Soft pastel colors, curved lines, nature, and movement all reflect Rococo style. The painting feels light, romantic, and full of motion. Small details like the woman's flying shoes suggest flirtation and secret romance. Rococo art often hides playful meanings beneath its beauty. Rococo influenced fashion, interior design, and painting, but it later faded because people wanted more serious and more moral art, leading to neoclassicism. Rococo reminds us that art doesn't always have to be serious. It can celebrate joy, emotion, and beauty, capturing how people lived and felt in a specific time. That would be all. Thank you for listening.